Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.
Dah lambat So right kali ni setelah sekian lama kita tak bersiaran di YouTube minta maaf geng, agak kebezian sedikit. Okay, so hari ni kita ada ride tak adalah ride pun, kita ada event sebenarnya. Okay, untuk hari ni kita ada event. Sekarang ni pun dah pukul 5.06 dah pukul 6 dah geng. Okay, so event ni petang ke malam tapi event start pukul 5 tadi. Cuma biasalah aku lambat. Hai, jalan jam bosku. Tengah hari ke petang open house. Kemudian itulah jampok dudak-dudak jam. Ambil lah, lambat lah ke eventnya. So nanti aku akan sambung dekat tempat aku RV dengan Wan. Aku dah set satu RV, dia pun lambat juga. Tapi yang awal Uzairi lah. So sorry Uzairi, lambat sikit. Bukan sedikit ni, lama ni. Aduh, hai. Nak buat macam mana? Itulah, kita sambung dekat tempat RV lah. Alright, aku tak tahu lah kualiti audio macam mana. Okey ke tak okey, cek komen sikit. Sebab aku tengah pakai mic baru, so tengah testing lah. Kalau cun, kita recommend dekat kawan-kawan yang mana nak vlog. Okay, so kita sambung dekat tempat RV lah. Aku rushing kat ni, sebelum aku terlupa Abang buat motor apa ni bang? Abang buat motor apa ni? Ini adalah Yamaha S-Max geng, 250 V1. So motor ni aku pinjam daripada Bino. Memandangkan besok 5/5 kita ada ride. Ride apa? Ride ke mana? Tunggu for the next video. Okay, kita akan ride dengan ini mesin S-Max 250. S-Max 250. Okay, nanti pun terkejut pula, dia ni dah lama tak buat video, tiba-tiba video motor baru lagi. Hai, tak faham. Okay, so nanti kan for the next ride. Alright, kita sambung di tempat RV. Okay geng, kita sambung lagi. Kona lu. Kita bersama Wan dan juga Huzairi Halim in the house. Suspension sudah tukar, ini sedap bosku. Okay kan, kita menuju ke tempat event so kita akan masuk ke Subang Airport. Okay geng, so dah sampai dekat event KTM. Dah malam lah geng, dah malam dah pun. Okay, so walaupun agak kelewatan tapi sempat juga untuk kita ambil satu dua shot untuk video kali ni. So hari ni KTM melancarkan 4 biji model terbaru, iaitu 250, 390, 990 dan juga 1390 geng. Okay, so jom aku buat ringkas, kita walk around tengok apa yang model-model yang ada dekat sini. Jom.
Try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
Mana?
Okay geng, so macam aku cakap tadi 250, 390, 990 dalam track dan juga 1390. Okay, ini dia motor-motor yang ada untuk hari ini, pelancaran hari ini 4 biji. Okay, so apa pendapat apa? Mana satu pilihan nanti? 250, 250, 390, 990 ataupun 1390 geng. So cuba, so jangan lupa like, komen dan subscribe geng. Kita jumpa lagi di next video insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Ciao. 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 Ciao.
Yeah.